This area here in southern Chile and Argentina is Patagonia. This is Torres del Paine.
Torres del Paine is probably the most well-known part of Patagonia because it's kind of everything combined in one smaller area of a huge area of Patagonia. To experience as much of Torres del Paine as we can, we are exploring it by hike, by car, and by boat. Wow, that is beautiful! So Torres del Paine is world famous for its W and O treks, but these involve like 5 to 9 days and a lot of walking.
So lazy me looked up what's one of the best views on these hikes, and can we do that in a day trip? It's 5:50, waking up, and we can hear the rain. It's still like an 8 to 9 hour hike and a little over 20 kilometers, but definitely not the same as doing the whole WRO.
The challenges for the day are, one, it's supposed to be pretty rainy and all we've got is...
I'm not sure if that's Emmy. I can only see a little bit of skin.
Two, there's a windy pass that gets up to 60 mph winds.
Just went over the river and through the woods to Torres del Paine.
And three, the last kilometer is pretty steep and rocky.
It is now time for the uphill. Only 1 kilometer. Not too hard until we're huffing and puffing. They said that it's a lot like Fitzroy, but we'll see. Came from down there. Gotta go to those little people up over there somewhere. Don't see the path, but it's there. So we made it!
That is our view. We were just happy to be able to see them at all.
These are the 3 towers. Well, 2.5 right now. Clouds are kind of blocking that one, but there are 3 towers. So we have a question right now. She says it's hail. I say it's
I just want to call it hail so I can say we went through hail to get here. We are so happy to have completed the hike, and tonight we are staying in a tiny home. So, welcome to our home.
So this is what we're sleeping in tonight. These are the tiny homes. That is our view right there. It is not too bad a way to end the night and to get some sleep and go see the park tomorrow.
Today we are going to be driving through Torres del Paine National Park. We have our awesome guide, Jose.
Hey, how are you?
Going to be showing us the mountains and wildlife and beauty, and we're so excited to see different areas of the park. Jose said that what we're doing today is the W trek without the trekking. We get to see parts of it, so that's my kind of hike.
It's the hike for lazy people.
I'm amazed by how big Torres del Paine is, and this is just like one small part of the entire region of Patagonia.
This is one of the things that makes Torres del Paine so incredible. All of those mountains. Em loves my corny humor. Guess what? We're in Chile, but that river is really rushing. This waterfall is from the glaciers, which means that it's really cold. I don't know if you heard, but we're in Chile, but that river is really rushing. So far in the bus, we've seen a ton of wildlife, a ton of panoramic views, and we're excited to see the rest of the stuff.
We're driving along and there are guanacos everywhere. There are flamingos in this lake. I always thought flamingos had to be in warm weather, but apparently when it snows, you can see flamingos in the snow.
Staying warm, little buddy. Duck. Goose.
There's a fox right there. Hud has to go to the bathroom. He's gonna leave me here and the fox is gonna steal our food.
I don't think you have to worry about the fox as much as the birds. Em's made a new friend.
Better not get any closer to me. Respect the personal space. It's a little windy today. Just a little bit. But we're happy it's not raining and it's sunny out.
This is so beautiful. Tough to keep my hat on though.
water, green, mountains, glaciers, so much. Everywhere you look, it's incredible.
Not really sure if we can call these things camping or tents, but they're probably some of the nicest rooms that we've stayed in our whole trip. Welcome to our luxury tent. Good thing I brought the key. Welcome to our luxury tent.
Okay, round 3.
This is our luxury tent. Not necessarily that much of a tent. We have this beautiful dome, probably one of the most comfortable beds that we've slept in, 2 heaters, water, a hot tub down there, private bathroom, pretty much anything that you can think of. This is what we call camping.
Today we are going to see the Great Glacier, and we're going on a little boat to get to the big boat.
After about 45 minutes being warm inside the boat, we are gearing up and about to go see a glacier. We are now up at the top, braving the cold, but we are seeing the icebergs and the glacier. Something that I've realized that's pretty cool with glaciers is they all have something a little different. Like this one doesn't have as impressive of like rock face, but we get to see way more icebergs.
This blue iceberg here, they said just broke off last night. I have never seen such blue iceberg.
I stole a chunk of the glacier and we're taking it home. This is a great last view of Torres del Paine. Beautiful clear day.
Goodbye, Patagonia. When you're on the drive back and you really want a Snickers, but there's something guarding the bag. I don't think I'm getting Snickers. Patagonia is really blowing me away. I'm spinning. My guy's trying to tell us something, I can't hear anything.
This here I call the hamster ball. It's also the community lounge area. It's been about 4 or 5 days here and we still have not decided if we're just gonna go Chile, or I think most people kind of just say it fast and natural like Chile. One thing that I do know is it's not Chile with an I. Amateur hiker check-in. We are still doing good. Making our way there, not slipping out too much. No twisted knees or ankles. Not doing too much of that, just every quarter mile.
Compared to the other hike, I would say this feels longer, and the easier parts are harder, but the harder part is a lot easier.
Compared to the other hike, the easy parts are harder and the harder part is easier.
That's literally my exact word.
Your luck with the types of birds. That one looks like he could do some damage.
But no one knew the number, so we are currently running to the bus station, hoping we don't miss our bus, because if we miss our bus, we miss our flight. We didn't miss anything yet, Head said, so we are rocking it to the bus station. Think we might actually make it.
One last hike in Patagonia.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.